18 you have to make a drone. First let's start with the tool. 1 tool, a socket wrench. 2 tool, a drain pen. 3 tool, a drain. 4 tool, and wall filter. 5 tool, a stop wrench. 6 tool, a car lift. 7 tool of the wall. Stage 1. To put the car on the car lift. Stage 2. Place a drain pen under the car. Stage 3. To unscrew the drain plug with a socket wrench. Stage 4. To let all the water flow out into a drain pen. Stage 5. To put the new seal of the drain plug. Stage 6. To screw a drain plug with socket wrench. Stage 7. To unscrew a wall filter with socket wrench. Stage 8. Left ancient filter, right news filter. Stage 9. To screw a wall filter with socket wrench. Stage 10. To refill with wall. Stage 11. To check the wall level. Stage 12. To get the car lift down. Stage 13. Drive safely. Goodbye.